Hey there guys, my name is Korak and I want to tell all the men how important it is for us to take care of our skin and to detoxify it. This black charcoal peel-off mask from UrbanGabru does just that. Let me tell you more about it. This charcoal mask is made up of natural ingredients and it peels off all the skin's impurities with it. It is free of sulfates and parabens and is suitable for all skin types. The activated charcoal is antibacterial and antifungal and gets rid of unwanted hair, dirt, oil, blackheads and impurities. Cleanse your face and apply a thick layer of the mask. Use your fingertips to spread it evenly over the face, avoiding the eyes, lips and eyebrows. Let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes, then slowly peel it off from the bottom to the top. As you peel the mask off, you can feel how it deeply cleanses your pores. It also regulates sebum secretion. Rinse your face with cold water after you've removed the mask and follow it up with a moisturizer or serum. This mask ensures that skincare is so quick and easy. My skin has never felt healthier. You should try it too.
Hi guys, this is Naved Qureshi and today I'm here to help you find your skin type. We often hear this phrase skin type, but when it comes to knowing our own skin type, we draw blank. It is extremely important that we know our skin type to find the right product that suits our skin. So let's find it out. Wait for an hour after you've washed your face. Now take a tissue and dab on your T-zone. If you find oil on it, you either have oily or combination skin. Now take another tissue and dab on your cheek. If you find oil residue on it, you have oily skin. If you suspect you have a combination skin instead of oily, take a fresh tissue and dab it on your cheek. If there are no oil residue on it, you have a combination skin. If your skin appears stretchy or tight after washing your face, you have dry skin. If you notice your skin red or inflamed after using a new product, you probably have a sensitive skin. If your skin doesn't fall in any of these categories, you have normal skin. It's easiest to care.